Hi, in front of me is OPPO Find X2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this OPPO. First of all, open settings. Now you need to scroll down, go into fingerprint, face and password. Click on set privacy password over here and tap on use a different password type. Over here, pick one of the login methods by clicking on the chosen one. Remember that this is the login method only for your apps. So I will go with pattern. Now I have to enter it and repeat it. Over here you need to answer security question, or you can click on this question over here, pick one of those ones, or choose custom question and create your own. Click at the top right corner over here to confirm it and remember to answer it. When you're done, click at the top right corner over here and now click on lock apps. Now you need to select apps that you want to lock by clicking on the switcher next to chosen ones. So I will go with Facebook, Epic Games, Chrome and Calendar. Now when I click home button and try to access one of those apps, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!